Come on, let's play some PvP. Hi, welcome. Can we play? Ugh. Incubating. Sad. Essie. Essie. Don't show the words. Skype. Meh. Oh, 13. Set. Add to call. Yeah, that's good. Hey, there's some. Hey. I did. This purple ball. That's illegal. You will die. Hey, come back here. Dan has to do homework, so he can't be on right now. Somebody took away my bow. I don't appreciate it. A bow. Yeah, did you finish the top of the base? Yeah, I could tell. How? Bruh. I just bought a bookshelf for no reason. So you need to what? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, Dan is coming. Yo, Dan's coming on. Dan's coming on. I'm gonna add him to the call. And if he can't call. What is that noise? Somebody's eating chips. Somebody's typing. Who is that? Why, is that you?
Yeah.
Are you from America?
Yeah.
You sound like Irish or something. Oh my god, Darren's coming in an hour.
Yeah, I do, Riyaz.
Wait, what? What is voice changer? Talk in your real voice. You know what the video is?
Is he doing a video?
Yeah. You're not from America. I can tell. Where are your parents from?
America.
But why do you have that accent?
I don't know.
Whatever.
Maybe it's because I'm from Texas.
No. Whatever.
Riyaz, calm down. I know. Riyaz means AFK. Everybody who watches this video is in this call. I mean, also Pyro watches. I know that.
These are my boats. Yes, I watch every single one of your videos.
I know. 50 of them is my brother. Joking. AFK, what is your channel?
It's but I didn't make any Minecraft. But
Okay, what do you do?
Huh? I mean,
so what?
I'm gonna make a Minecraft, but let's see.
Right now, what do you play? Call of Duty.
I play Call of Duty, but I don't record it.
Okay.
This
Call
one.
of Duty.
I made one video. I made 2 videos actually.
How many subscribers do you have?
I don't know. I don't know.
1 subscriber? How many? 20, I think. 5?
Don't make fun of me. I only made 2 videos.
No, it's better than me. I don't do videos.
My brother does.
Oh no, I'm gonna die.
What are you doing?
I need to get at least to level 50. It's so annoying.
Oh god, you got me stupid.